view here. The boat and the island over there. So, this is the entire lake view. I'm just. This is a close-up view. This is the boat with which we are gonna go boating. This is the bhaiya who is going to take us. Bhaiya, hi bol do. Hi. हाँ, और smoking is injurious. Smoke मत करो. But this is the close-up view, and we are gonna get started for the boating abhi. So this is the fall, which we were talking about. हाँ, चल सकते हैं और. And we are just loving it here. हाँ, yeah.
देखो कुछ लोगों ने वहाँ फोटोग्राफी की.
स्टोन्स
को वो इकट्ठा करके कुछ शेप बनाया. ये वो न्यूलिथ जो उसने मिस किया ना कल में.
So guys, we are in the Doki Lake, in the boat. If you see, this is our boat. मैं भैया भी दिखाऊंगी आपको in some time. And this is the entire view. And I was kind of freaking out in the beginning, but I think it's pretty amazing to be in a place like this, filled with nature. So yeah, so this is the view behind me. Hi guys, so again, different version of the Doki Lake. We are just at the shore and we just parked our boat just to see the view. As we saw the waterfall behind, you can see that there are lots of natural rocks and there is an amazing hill over here. And we're just here waiting for some time just to see and get the feel of the lake, which is pretty amazing, and we're just simply loving it. So just wanted to show you guys the entire view. Along with the fall, there are lots of natural rocks and lots of hills, and it's a great place to actually be. So yeah, that's pretty much. So we are here, and there is an amazing waterfall, and this is the waterfall. And here there are stalls where we stopped for some refreshing things and food, and this is Bhaiya trying to pour out water, and this is the entire view of the Doki Lake. If you can hear the noise of the water, it is super amazing. So yeah, it's a lovely place to be in because it is really beautiful. So guys, we are again in the boat in the middle of the Doki Lake, and there are lots of boats around, and if you see, the water is super green and it's super clean, and towards my left there are lots of hills, and same towards my right also there are a lot of hills, and there's a bridge on the top which is kind of difficult to capture. We'll capture it on the other side, but we are rowing, and it's an amazing experience. The sun is here, it's early morning, and we're just loving it. Hi guys, so we are in the Doki Lake, and this is kind of here, and there are lots of boats kind of fall, and it was amazing noise, and the view over here is pretty good. I think me and my friend is enjoying it, and yeah, that's pretty much. हाँ, तो ये कुछ बोल रही है मेरी दोस्त, so I'm capturing that. And so there are rocks here, and so there's light water falling, and there is amazing noise which you can actually hear. If you can see, there is like water from the rocks, and it's so calm and so peaceful. So this is kind of the view, towards the left side of the lake. It's a very big lake, but if you see, like, you can hear water droplets here, and this is the entire left side of the lake, and this is the right side through which we just came in, and there's the island where we are heading to currently. So this is the overall view of the lake. This is our bhaiya who's kind of driving the boat, and this is हाँ भैया पानी टच कर सकते हैं, पानी ऐसे पकड़ टच कर सकते हैं, कर लो. And the rocks, and there's an island over there, and it's a long way, which is right here, and it's a beautiful place. So another interesting fact about the Doki Lake is there is this Indo-Bangladesh border here. If you can see, folks. हाँ भैया क्या बोल रहे हो? पूरा क्या दिखाओगे? हाँ, पूरा घुमाओगे और घुमाओगे? ठीक है, तो ये दिस इज़ द बॉर्डर। हाँ हाँ, एकदम भैया ने हमको एकदम अच्छे से घुमाया है और हमने बॉर्डर भी देख लिया है। देयर इज एन आइलैंड एंड देयर आर पीपल। कहाँ कहाँ से हैं लोग भैया वहाँ पे, बांग्लादेश वाले?
ढाका से,
हाँ
चट्टग्राम,
हाँ
रंगामाटी,
हाँ,
सिलेट,
अच्छा
बरिशाल,
हाँ,
खुलना, जसूर।
बाप रे, देखा, भैया को सब पता है, वहाँ वहाँ से लोग हैं। और भैया अब तो आप फेमस होने वाले हो। और फिर हम वी आर गोना पार्क द बोट देयर एंड सो वी आर ऑलमोस्ट डन with the view of the lake, and this is the amazing view. This is the bridge, the suspension bridge, which is the kind of the docky bridge we were telling you we'll show you. And there are lots of people, and bhaiya gana ga rahe because he's used to this. So yeah, this is pretty much. क्या बोल रहे हो भैया? क्या बोले भैया? कुछ बोले? बाय बाय बोल दो, बाय बोल दो, बाय। ओके गाइज, ठीक है। सो या दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द लेक। गाइज वी आर डन विद द व्यू एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग अपस्टेयर्स। दिस इज द वे you need to actually go to your car. So that's what we are doing right now. We are kind of resting, me and she, and yeah, so we have actually seen the lake and it was an amazing experience. Yep, in the suspension bridge, and this is the view from the bridge, and this is the entire bridge, and it's really amazing. It's just next to the Dauki. So this is on the way back to the car, huh? And this is the view, pretty much the view of the lake, and this is where we have the car park. So we're going all the way. Even the road is so beautiful, filled with trees, and here you have the lake view. This is kind of the final view when you're exiting from the dock. So we actually climbed all the way and we are done with Dauki, and this is the final view. If you see, there are boats in here, and this is the full view of the water, and that's the island where it's the Indo-Bangladesh border. And yeah, we're pretty much done with Dauki. An amazing experience. I hope you guys liked it too. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. So yeah, so we are heading towards the car, towards our cab. We're done with Dauki, and as you see, my friend is super tired and I'm tired too, and we're just heading there. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Take care.